Which corded stick vacuum cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can make your cleaning routine a breeze. Product number 1, Bissell 2033 Featherweight. First up is the Bissell 2033 Featherweight Stick Vacuum. Priced at just $34.99, this lightweight vacuum caught my eye with its versatility. If you want a reliable vacuum that can easily transition from a stick to a handheld for quick cleanups, this is worth a serious look. This means you can tackle everything from hard floors to carpets without any hassle. It has a powerful suction thanks to its 17 amps of power, which is perfect for picking up dirt and debris. Plus, the bagless design with a 0.67-liter capacity allows you to see when it's time to empty it, and it has a 15-foot power cord for easy maneuverability. Now, some people complained about the vacuum's smaller capacity, which means you might have to empty it more often. Here's the thing though, if you're doing quick cleanups, that's not really a deal breaker. It's actually perfect for smaller spaces like apartments or dorms where you need something lightweight and easy to move around. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller home or just need a quick and easy solution for daily messes. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty or have a larger area to clean regularly. For its price, it offers great value. Now, if the smaller dirt capacity bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bissell 2033 M Featherweight. Next, we have the Bissell 2033 M Featherweight, which comes in at $39.99. This variant caught my attention because of its sleek black design and similar versatility. If you want a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this is worth checking out. With an amperage of 1.4, it gives you the same powerful suction needed for quick cleanups on hard floors and carpets. It also has a slightly larger dirt cup capacity at 0.71 quarts, making it a great choice for more extended cleaning sessions without constant emptying. The 15-foot power cord ensures you can reach most areas without needing to unplug every few minutes. Some users mentioned issues with the suction power not being as strong on thicker carpets. Here's my take: if you mostly have hard floors or low-pile carpets, this shouldn't be a problem. It's a fantastic pick for quick cleanups in a variety of spaces. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need something versatile for everyday cleaning. Skip this one if you have thicker carpets that require extra power. For the price, it's a solid option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for pet owners. Product number 3, Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Now let's talk about the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $139.98. This one caught my eye with its promise of up to 50 minutes of runtime and a design that tackles pet hair with ease. If you're dealing with fur and dander, this is definitely worth considering. This vacuum features a tangle-resistant design, making it ideal for homes with pets. It also comes with a 0.75-liter dust bin that's easy to empty with just one click. The lightweight design means you can easily lift it for quick cleanups, and the washable filters ensure you're getting the best suction possible for longer. With 13,100 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's proven to be a favorite among users. However, some users expressed frustration that it isn't as powerful as expected for deep cleaning. Here's the thing: if you mostly need it for quick touch-ups or have lighter cleaning tasks, it should serve you well. Just don't expect it to replace a heavy-duty vacuum. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a lightweight vacuum for everyday messes. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle deep cleaning on heavy carpets. Considering its features, it offers great value. Now, if you need something that's focused on deep cleaning, the next option might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Shark HV343 AMZ Rocket. Next up is the Shark HV343 AMZ Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum, priced at $179.99. I was drawn to this one because of its self-cleaning brush roll, which is a game changer for pet owners. If you're tired of dealing with tangled hair in your vacuum, this might be your best bet. Its self-cleaning brush roll removes long hair and pet hair without any wrap, which means less time spent fiddling with your vacuum. With advanced swivel steering, it's easy to maneuver around furniture, and those LED headlights, they help reveal hidden debris that you might otherwise miss. Some reviews noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation, but honestly, I don't think that's a deal breaker when you consider the cleaning power it delivers. If you're focused on keeping your home fur-free, this vacuum definitely delivers. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a vacuum that can handle regular hair cleanup. Skip this one if noise during operation is a concern for you. It's certainly worth the investment for its capabilities. Alright, that was impressive. But the last one on my list might just be the best for pet owners. Product number 5, Shark HV342 Rocket Pet Plus. Finally, we have the Shark HV342 Rocket Pet Plus corded stick vacuum at $149.99. This one is designed specifically for pet owners, which caught my attention. If you want a vacuum that's tailored to tackle pet hair and has great features, keep listening. The Shark Pet Plus features powerful suction that works wonders on carpets and hard floors alike. With an XL dust cup capacity of 0.9 gallons, you can clean for longer without interruptions. It comes with specialized pet tools, making it easy to reach embedded hair in tricky areas. The LED headlights are an added bonus, revealing debris that often goes unnoticed. A few users mentioned that the vacuum can feel a bit heavy compared to other models. For some, that might be a deal breaker, but honestly, the cleaning power and the size of the dust cup make it worth it for me. If you're focused on getting the best clean possible, this vacuum delivers. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleanup. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight. Given its powerful features, it's a fantastic value for pet owners. To wrap things up, each of these vacuums has its strengths, and depending on your needs, there's something for everyone. To quickly recap, the Bissell Featherweight is great for budget-friendly, lightweight cleaning. The Bissell 2033M offers a similar design with a bit more capacity. The Levoit vacuum shines with its cordless convenience for pet owners. Shark's HV343 AMZ is your go-to for hair-free cleaning, while the Shark HV322 is perfect for heavy-duty pet cleanup. Whatever your needs, there's a vacuum on this list that can meet them.